This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the obvious but essential, numlock. Press the numlock key and watch the keyboard or on-screen indicator. If the indicator toggles, the hardware is responsive. Once done, make sure your OS input language and layout match what you expect because a different layout maps keys to numbers differently. If you have an external keyboard, unplug it to isolate the issue. These first steps remove variables, so you can focus on the system settings that control numeric input. Next, diagnose the software side. You should check accessibility settings and turn off mouse keys. When enabled, number keys act like a mouse. Then update or reinstall keyboard drivers through Device Manager because corrupted drivers can remap keys. Once done, run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter or boot into safe mode to confirm whether a background app caused the behavior. If numbers work in safe mode, make sure to review recent apps or startup programs and undo changes that coincide with the problem. Finish by restoring default layouts and testing a fresh user profile. You should remove extra language packs and set your desired layout as default, then log into a new user account to see if the issue is user-specific. If that fixes it, migrate settings rather than deep fixes. Finally, when nothing else works, perform a system restore to a point before the issue or, as a last resort, a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers still fail, try a different physical keyboard to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.